Hey guys, Tiara here. I'm back with another Shea Moisture unboxing video. I was gonna shower and get ready and then do this video, but I already knew ahead of time that they were going to be giving me hair products, so today's wash day, so sorry about the look. Let's get into it. So, I broke it. Alright, there we go. Alright, what's in here? Alright, let's do it. So, this month they sent me the Mucuna Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair line. I don't know how many of you know other YouTubers, but Miss Bianca Renee today, I don't know if that's actually how you say her name, but she did a review on this line and I've been wanting to try it since then, so I'm really excited about this. It looks like they gave you the shampoo, the conditioner, Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, a hair mask. Put that hair mask also in like a little single-use package. Now this is the product that I was really excited about when I saw her review on this line, because I haven't wanted to get my hair cut so bad. I know I have so many bad ends, but I can't get rid of them. But I know I should get my hair cut. But this product right here will help me with that. It's for split ends. I'm really excited to try this today. It's probably gonna make my wash and go look really good. And they also sent me the Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is probably gonna be really nice as well. And this is actually also really exciting too, a little scalp massager. I actually just got into scalp massagers. I've been doing a lot of research and I heard that they promote hair growth, and that's what I'm trying to get. So this is kind of cool because I literally maybe a week and a half ago just started doing scalp massages, so that's actually like perfect timing. Oh, I almost forgot that I had another box sitting here. I was so excited about these hair products. I'm pretty sure this is my shirt though, because I was supposed to get it with the second box, but here it goes. It is! Oh yeah, stay tuned. Pictures, videos, coming soon. So thanks Shea Moisture, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.